Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to register your Xbox One X warranty for free repairs. The Xbox One X is a very popular gaming console developed by Microsoft, and it is known to deliver incredible gaming experiences at very high resolutions and frame rates. So for that matter, if you own an Xbox One X or any other Xbox console, you can get free repairs. Let's dive into it and you'll be able to benefit from this in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. So then, how do I register my Xbox One X warranty? What you have to do firstly is create a free Microsoft account. In order to register your new Xbox One X console, you need a free Microsoft account. For a step-by-step guide on how to do that, you can check out Microsoft's support page. I will also post a link in the description below. Then you have to register your device at device support. This is because you cannot request a service for your Xbox One X console if you haven't firstly registered the product. Then sign in to your Microsoft account and then go to All Devices. Select Add Device. Then you can find the controller serial number under the barcode inside the battery compartment. And once you've registered your console, you'll also see its warranty status, and as long as the console is within warranty, repairs are free. You have to note that the only limitation for the free Xbox repairs are when the cause of the damage falls outside warranty coverage. It's well known that many Xbox One X owners already reported various issues ranging from black screen issues to random shutdowns. But in most cases, the solution offered by Microsoft's support teams was a console replacement. As you can see, it's always better to be safe than sorry, so make sure to register on the Microsoft webpage with your device and benefit any possible repairs for your Xbox console. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.